Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, by viewer request, I am going to be working on the lilacs and birds. I think we decided that they're orioles. I'm not sure, but they could be something else. If you know what they are, put it in the description box below. And if you think they're something made up, tell me that too. Yeah, I got this from EveryDayECrafts in 2021. Yeah, and it's a 14 count. It's 37 by 46. And we're working with, oh dear, oh my. Yep, nope, I didn't look at the color. It's still in its Joy Sunday bag. I finally wrote down where I got it from, because I get tired of looking it up, because I can't remember. Oh, for pity's sake. Really? Let's see. It's 209 is the number. Okay. Isn't that pretty? So today we're going to be working right up here in these flowers. I did previously start down below, so yeah, we're just going to work up there because easy button this week. Yep, easy button. Easy button. So what's everybody up to? Are you going someplace this weekend? I just wondered. Yeah, not going any place. Today looks like it could just rain all day. Yeah, that's how that's going to work. Oh my goodness. All right, gotta get you where you gotta be, and then I will pull you in. I did fill up my feeder yesterday. Was it yesterday? Gosh, it could have been. Yeah, it was yesterday. No, it was Wednesday morning. Yeah, it doesn't really matter, but I filled it up, and I actually had a quail at my feeder. I'm pretty sure that's what that was. But I'm sure that they're on the feeder when the drapes are closed. But sometimes I have to open up the drapes and just let them be like that for a little bit, because that way they get used to the fact that that curtain is open. Yeah, so haven't seen any lately. But yeah, I just thought that was quite odd yesterday. I was like, what kind of bird is that? Oh my god, it's actually a quail. I have no idea. I got nothing. Oh, goodness. Yep, I still am not in the mood to start anything. Nope. I don't know. I go through these phases, and then the next thing you know, I'm starting 6 things in a week, right? Yeah, that's how that works. Yesterday, it rained a little bit. Well, it rained after I got home. Then it rained at night, and it was still kind of sprinkling or whatever when I went to bed at like 12:30, 1 o'clock. So, yep. I don't know. Now today it just looks like it could be cloudy, gloomy all day. So, it sounds like a good time to make chili. What did I end up eating? I don't remember what I ate last night for dinner. I had gone to the grocery store yesterday with my daughter, and I bought stuff. I was going to make chili, but I just really did not feel like it. So I'm going to make that today. Oh, I got out. Yeah, let's make chili and have, what do you call it, ham, hock, and beans all in the same weekend. Yeah, it's just a bean weekend. But I had a bag of the red beans. Well, it's the beans concoction that I have with red beans and rice. And I had a thing of ham hocks and beans. So they're two different things. But I just mixed them together because the ingredients are pretty similar. I don't know. Sometimes I have it with cornbread. Sometimes I have it with rice. So last night I just mixed those two together and just sat and ate a bowl of it. It was wonderful. Yeah. So I had that. So I'm going to have that for lunch today. Because if there's enough, probably I could have it for dinner tonight. I don't know. But I don't want it out too much longer. So the chili may or may not get made today. See? That's how that works. So it is what it is, what it is. But it really tasted good, and I didn't make any cornbread or anything. I thought about having tortillas with it, but by the time I got that all fixed and ready, it was 7 o'clock at night, and I was going to have tortillas, and I went, nope, just eat it. And it was really good. So I'm glad that I decided to make that earlier this year, and I had it to eat last night. So I don't. But I sure don't. The only thing I do know is that I'm not getting another frozen pizza this week. I can't. Yeah. It seems like I've had frozen pizza every week for about 2 months. So we need to move along to something else. There might be some stops and starts here, guys. Sorry. And of course I cut my thread wrong. Yeah. So it was folded in half thread. I don't know. See how short they are? And I didn't even think about it. I went, hold that thought. They're really short. So that means that they're folded twice. I didn't even think about it. Oh crap. Oh, okay. I thought I lost my needle. And I started to pull out the thread. Well, that caused a knot. I should well know that would work. And, yeah. So I just pulled out one whole strand of 6 strand, you know, the regular size. And then I cut it in half for some stupid reason, so, yeah. And then I divided it into 2 strands, like 3 sets of 2 strands. Wow. That was a horse in a barn if I ever saw one. Holy cow. You know what I mean? Oh my goodness. Yeah. So no grand plans. I am watching The Crown again. So I started from the beginning because I couldn't remember where I was at and what was going on. So, and it's really well made. And I happen to like the first parts of it, you know. Especially with Churchill in there and all that goes on. I liked that lady when they started The Crown. I like that beginning lady. I haven't watched, and she's always been in it. You know what I mean? I haven't got to the transition where they changed it to somebody else playing Queen Elizabeth. So I like her. And I think she does look the closest to Elizabeth. So, I don't know. So it's given me something to watch. What can I say? What in the world are we doing here? Don't stop. Don't talk. No. I can talk and stitch, but if I stop, then I have to figure out where the heck I'm at. Oh, well, that's not where I wanted to go either. Holy cow. So I worked a little bit on the large floral one. I haven't found the, what is it called? Floral cabin yet. So hang in there, Gigi. Yeah. I know it's got to be out somewhere. I just haven't figured out where. So I don't know what I'll end up working on today at all. Oh, these are those spools that I got. See how big they are? Whoop, sorry, it's upside down, my bad. They were 35 cents a spool. It says 100% polyester, spun D, American thread here, the anything thread, 35 cents a spool on that one. And American Thread Company, it says giant. This one was 25 cents a spool. But I thought I could make, got a piece of fuzz there, something small to put on there for display when I get that silk thread and stuff. I haven't ordered it yet, so don't get too horribly excited. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Are you kidding? Well, this is attractive. Hang on, all y'all. Laura's having a day. Oh, here it is. Like, what happened to all that thread? Jeez. Oh my goodness. Maybe we shouldn't do Stitch With Me's anymore. What can I say? Oh my gosh. Just so uncoordinated. Hey, I found another use for these blue clips. They will hold chip bags together. Yeah, is that not exciting? I knew you'd be excited. Now don't all jump up and down at once, guys, because, yeah. I needed something. I got a grape. That's all I could get. Got the great big bag of Tostitos because I was going to have the nachos, remember? Well, it's a huge bag. And I usually crumple things up and put it back in the refrigerator, and that way nothing gets to it. Oh my God. And yeah, we're fine. I leave them in the refrigerator. Works great. Yeah. But it wouldn't stay crumpled together. Yeah, it was a nightmare. So I just grabbed me one of those and it worked perfect. I know. I'm a little late to the party on that one. I'm sure that people have been doing that forever. But I have a few of those blue clips, but it worked really well. Just saying. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's just been crappy every weekend and not a good time to go out or go anywhere. So it's supposed to, it has like a chance of rain, let's call it that, every day, all weekend. Whether it's 15% or 35 to 50%, yeah, we'll see. But it really doesn't look good out there today. I'm going to have to repark my car when I go get the mail so that I'm not in a mud puddle. Hold that back. Because the last 2 or 3 times... Oh, that's attractive, isn't it? There's been like 6-inch mud puddles on both sides where you got to get into the car. And my car has like a center console. So it's not like I can get in one side and crawl all the way to the other. Not this person. That won't be happening. I have had to do that when it snows and the door freezes. It's special. So I have since learned to roll the window down in the winter. Just not roll it down, but get it away from that, what is it, rubber seal. And it doesn't make the door as tight as if all the windows were up. It's like vacuum sealed the other way. Come on, needle. Seriously. So how'd you like those little handbags, or crossbody bags, I guess they call them, that I got this morning? Yeah. I thought that was different. I have plenty of, I'll call them shopping or project up and down bags. You know, you could probably get more groceries in there than projects, or you could put way too many projects in there. So I wanted something different, and that's why I chose those. Yeah. But I thought they'd do. But I'm glad they're getting other things besides, you know, aprons and tote bags is the word I was looking for. Tote bags. Yeah. We're just stitching in a line here, sort of. Sure is a pretty color, purple. Lots of pretty colors in this. It's only got like, what is it, 24 colors? So that's not too bad. And I think I'm using the needle that actually came with the project. These squares are not real tight yet. I keep sporadically stitching, so I haven't changed it out to a 28. I have no idea what size these are. The ones that actually come with it, I got nothing. But the sometimes the fabric is really tight when you're trying to stitch, and I have to change it to a smaller needle. But this one seems to be okay so far. Not a problem. Well, hopefully next week at work will go a lot better than this week. I'm telling you. Of course, we'll have an order every week. She said she would wait and see, you know, just how much stuff we went through over the weekend and before she made an order, or if we need to make one. But yeah, we've been going through the stuff because that other place has been closed, and yeah, so I'm sure they'll get their stuff together. They finally got the gas pumps up, but you know, it's going to take a hot moment before they organize the inside. So yeah. Well, now that I've talked myself into stitching on 14 counts. Partials. We're not going to anything big. Don't get too carried away here. Then I might be able to put more stitches into this. It just seems to take a hot moment, but it's very nicely printed. It's a nice kit, so I'm not real concerned. I couldn't believe it. I walked in the other room because I put all that stuff in there so they could put that couch in there, and it was in the first bin that I went to. So is that not scary? For me, that's scary. Scary, scary, scary. And this just has regular cross stitch in it, so there's no half, there's no back stitching that I know of. Maybe? I can't tell. I got it all folded up now. Yeah, there's no back stitching in this at all. There's that picture. You could put whatever back stitching you wanted to in it. You know, maybe something to perk up those leaves and kind of define the birds a little bit better. But yeah, it actually says Joy Sunday on it. So yeah, we'll see. I'm sorry the video was so late yesterday. Seemed like forever for it to upload. Must have been a busier day with the internet. Not real sure. Sometimes it can take 10 minutes. Next time it'll take an hour and 10 minutes. It's like, holy cow. Get your act together, people. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me today. Hope you liked stitching on this. I'll keep it out and maybe I'll go through this thread and maybe we'll make some progress here. Thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.